Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to scan documents using your iPhone. So instead of taking messy photos, you can create clean, professional-looking PDFs in seconds. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now create a new note or open an existing one. Next, tap the little paperclip icon. This is where you can attach files. You'll see two options: Scan Text and Scan Documents. Tap on Scan Documents if you want to create a PDF, just like a real scanner. If you choose Scan Text, your iPhone will turn the text into editable words inside your note. Now, point your camera at the document. Your iPhone will automatically detect the edges, and once everything is aligned, it will scan it for you instantly. You can scan multiple pages here. Just keep adding more, and your iPhone will combine them into one multi-page PDF. Once you're done, tap the check mark at the top to save it. From here, you can open it, share it, or even print it. Now let's look at the second method. Open the Files app on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top corner, then select Scan Documents. From here, follow the same steps. Position your document in view, and your iPhone will automatically scan it. Also, you can scan multiple pages here. Just keep adding more, and your iPhone will combine them into one multi-page PDF. Once you're done, tap the check mark at the top to save it. Name it what you want, then tap the check mark on the keyboard to confirm and save the name. Keep in mind, the Files app only saves as PDF and doesn't support scanning text into editable format like the Notes app. And that's it. That's how you can quickly scan documents on your iPhone without needing any extra apps. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.